Hello friends. Have you ever wanted to learn JavaScript from scratch but didn't know where to start? This course is specially designed for absolute beginners. Without any prior programming knowledge, step into the world of coding and boost your skills. Learn JavaScript basics in under 6 hours. What you will learn in this course. Build a solid foundation in JavaScript. Learn to solve common programming problems. Write clean and efficient JavaScript code. And more. Get this amazing course completely free right now, with no payment required. Enhance your JavaScript skills and take your coding to the next level. Stay with us and don't miss this exclusive opportunity. Open your browser and type gotodiscounts.com in the search bar. Once the results appear, click on the official link to access the website. Make sure that the text you type is exactly gotodiscounts.com to be redirected to the correct page. On the homepage of gotodiscounts.com, you can directly view the latest Udemy courses offered with special discount coupons. To access the discount coupon for the desired course, simply click on the provided link. Once the course page opens, you'll find all the details about the course, available discounts, and the expiration date. Be sure to check the expiration date, and to access the discount, simply scroll down the page and click on the Go to the Discounted Course button. Learn JavaScript basics in under 6 hours. And click on the Go to the Discounted Course button. As you saw, I was able to get this course completely free through gotodiscounts.com. Instead of paying €20, you can also claim this amazing offer at no cost. But hurry up! This discount is not permanent and will expire in just 4 days. Don't miss out on this opportunity, get started now. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to be the first to know about new free courses. Leave a comment below and let us know your thoughts. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Have a great day.